So you don't want to run a lot of power cables, and you also don't want to rely on solar power. Well, guess what? You can do a PoE security camera. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 4K PoE security camera. And guess what? It's panoramic. There's two cameras in there. This is an amazing security camera from the company VIKYLIN, and we've worked with them before, so we know it's going to be great. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. This is the VIKYLIN 8MP IP camera. This is a panoramic camera in full color. It's a turret version of it. You see we got two little cameras here. Packaging looks fantastic, so let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is the installation notes. It just gives you the information on how to easily set it up and get it installed. You even get the drill template here, so very, very cool. Next thing you'll see in the box is the user manual. This thing is going to be important because it just gives you information on installation and also just how to set it all up and get everything working. We've got plenty of screws and bolts. We've got part of the protection stuff for the cables, and we've got an Allen wrench that's included also. We have the mounting bracket here, so this is what will go up into the ceiling basically, and then the camera will attach underneath. And speaking of cameras, this is what we've got right here. This thing looks awesome. Listen, that's metal. This thing is very nice, very high quality. We've got some little stickers here, peel those off. Everything looks really nice and clean. Looks like we have some additional methods here of plugging it up if we choose to use them. So that's super cool that these are included. But like I said, keep in mind, these are not required. Right here is the most important thing. This is your PoE. So you're just gonna plug this up and you're pretty much good to go. And you'll see right here, the camera can also be adjusted. And you'll see also the way that mount works is pretty simple. Pretty much just pops in like this. See these little brackets here, you get those aligned and you twist it and turn it and it locks into place. But right there is everything you'll need, so let's go ahead and get it set up.
This is the VIKYLIN 4K 8MP Panoramic Full Color PoE IP camera. 180 degrees of panoramic camera. This 8MP panoramic security camera with the built-in 2x1/1.8 inches progressive scan CMOS high performance sensors with two of the fixed focal 4mm lenses and f1 super aperture, adopting exclusive splicing technology, seamlessly fusing splicing the dual lens image into a 180 degree panoramic image. One image that presents all the scenes covered by the camera. 4K Starlit full color camera. This 4K 8MP panoramic full color night vision PoE IP camera has high quality imaging with 8MP resolution, maximum resolution being 5120 by 1440. Color view technology delivers 24/7 vivid color images with the f1 super aperture. And because of the CMOS sensors, it gives you a realistic detail in enhancing the color imaging in low light conditions and even in total darkness, with a minimum illumination up to 0.0005 lux. Reduces 95% of costly false alarms triggered by other moving objects such as animals or falling leaves in heavy rain, with a built-in video content analysis, that's the VCA algorithm, for more efficient monitoring as well as more effective perimeter protection. This is things such as line crossing detection, intrusion detection, region entrance detection, and so much more. Active strobe light and audio alarm. This panoramic wide angle camera allows you to talk with people or warn unfriendly visitors while watching the live stream. It also combines active strobe light and audio alarm to warn intruders off. Notifications of intrusions can also be sent to you in real time. And did we mention, because of the full metal housing and good closing process, it is water and dust resistant and IP67. High compatibility. This 4K PoE full color turret camera is a true plug and play. It's available with the IVMS 4200 Guarding Vision app. Also supports open network video interface protocol and is compatible with third-party NVRs such as Dahua, Lorex, with the Blue Iris, iSpy, NAS storage, Internet Explorer, Firefox, PC clients, and mobile apps with remote access. And it supports user authentication with video data encryption. And it comes with the RJ45 100 MB/s network port. So you don't have to worry about lagging out. VIKYLIN, this thing is awesome. It is packed full of features and super high quality. My goodness, I gotta say guys, great job.
As I've mentioned, we've worked with VIKYLIN in the past on multiple PoE cameras, and they're always fantastic. These things are very high quality. I don't think I've ever seen a product of theirs that's plastic. It's always metal. And if you didn't know, PoE cameras are great for houses and businesses. They're just professional. They're just very professional. We want to give a huge shout out to VIKYLIN for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.